Hey, what's up guys, it's Serious Diecast, back with another wheel swap. Today I'm going to do this a little different. We're going to go ahead and talk about one of my favorite Hot Wheels, I guess favorite color Hot Wheels. Today we got the Hot Wheels J Imports, 3 out of 10, Toyota Celica, 1970. They made this in a couple colors. But I think this color, which is a mint green metallic, is my favorite, along with the dark green metallic. Actually, any metallic is pretty much my favorite. But we're going to go ahead and crack this open and talk about it a little bit. So as you can see, we got a little metallic flake. They call it mint green. If you take a look at the tampos on there, we got an orange and black stripe on the hood and sides. This one says Kaido House, which is a Japanese company, or Yoshida Light Industry, and then also says Celica on the sides, which is pretty cool. We got a black interior on this one, and the wheels, factory wheels that this comes with, are the J5s. These J5s were introduced in 2010, which I really like. They have a simulated little deep dish, but these J5s, they come in the rose gold. They come in a lot of colors, but this color is probably my favorite. Also with the lights, we got a little lights in there with the grill, tail lights. You know, when I look at Hot Wheels, I look for the full package, and this kind of does it for me. You know, you got the cool paint with the nice tampos, matching wheels. I think they hit it out the park with this one. But even though it's super nice, we can always make it better. So we went ahead and picked up some wheels for this. Got a couple right here. I think today we are going to use, you know, when I do a lot of the wheel swaps, you know, like this in our last video, we've been using the 4-spoke. And if you've seen this before, this is one of my favorite trucks, but we also got the 4-spoke in chrome. But today we're going to go ahead and do some new style. We got the rose gold, kind of replacing the rose gold, but we got the deep dish with the low profile tires. The original car came in a 1600 and a 2000 cc motor with the GT badge. Just thought I'd mention that. But there we go. We've got some rims right here. Let's see if we can take this car up a notch and make it a little nicer, as nice as it already is. You can always get these wheels online, Amazon, eBay. I get mine at an in-store location, so I don't have to deal with shipping or any wait times. I picked these up at Playdays Collectible, Whittier, California. Shout out to Manny. But like every other video, we're going to go ahead and throw some protection down. Flip the car over. Let's take care of these rivets. Again, I'm using a 1/8 drill bit. You can use a 9/64. I feel that this one works good for me, so I usually stick with it. Okay, let's start the front. Sometimes I'll make 2 to 3 passes. The rear I got in 1 pass, but usually when you get it in 1 pass it might not come out as nice, so let's go. And do 1 more pass to get this rivet out. There we are with our nice car. This does come with black interior, and I do like how the windows are open so you can actually see the interior. If you guys take a close look, we do have a right-hand drive, which is the JDM market, which is kind of cool. We're going to throw that back in there. So like always, we're going to go ahead and get these factory wheels out. You always have these 3 prongs right here. Like I usually do, you get a blade, lift them up, put the tabs side to side. Depending on the factory wheels that the car has, kind of will determine how gentle I am with this. You know, if I do like the wheels such as these and I may want to reuse them, I'll go ahead and take a little more time to do this. You know, other wheels, I don't know if you've seen the Mazda Repu. I didn't really care for those wheels, so I kind of just pulled them out. It doesn't matter if you mess up the axles or anything, I'm not using them again. Pull those in. Okay, so we got the J5s right there. Set that over here. Alright, and once again, like always, once we pull those out, we use our blade to lift these tabs up a little, get them out the way. You know, as far as this channel, I mean, we've been doing a lot of wheel swaps, which I enjoy. I'm trying to figure out the direction that we want this channel to go to, just for the fact everyone does wheel swaps and you know, a bit of customizing. So you guys want to see anything specific, or you want me to talk about anything, go ahead and let me know. I think I got 2 followers, so if y'all want to let me know what you want to see, go for it. If not, we're just going to do wheel swaps, 2 until we get into other things. Go ahead and splice that back together. And there we go, guys. Some nice rose gold 6-spoke JDM wheels, 3-piece. At the moment, we're just kind of swapping wheels. Eventually, I'll go ahead and probably start lowering these cars. You know, doing interior paint jobs, things like that. But because we're so new as a channel, I kind of just want to get people involved and you know, show them a couple wheel swaps, and then we can probably get into a little more in-depth things after a while. But yeah, guys, this is our third car that we swapped with you guys, and this one I really enjoy. I really love this paint job. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, DM, comment, like and subscribe for anything else you want to see. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and use our glue to go ahead and keep this car together. If you've watched our older videos, you kind of already know what glue we use, which is basically the tester's model glue. And there we go, guys. Got our nice swapped vehicle now. Couple hours it'll be dry. I can still play with it though. I've been doing a lot of trucks, so doing this car is actually pretty cool. Actually, I'm gonna probably start doing a little more cars. Still stick with the JDM theme, but there we go, guys.